Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE5 and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing apps. Alright, so first of all let's open the settings. Here let's scroll and find the apps and then tap on App Management. So here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on this device, and I highly recommend to go through all of them and remove cache. So for example, let me enter the camera, for example. After tapping on the specific app, tap on storage usage, and here we've got the section with cache. So just tap on clear cache and your device will immediately remove junk files which are occupying the memory. Another thing which you can do is to enter the phone manager, which is pre-installed on this device, so for sure you've got one. And first of all, tap on Optimize and then tap on Cleanup Storage. Here we've got the automatic cleanup. Let's say you have to simply tap on Clean, or under it you've got a Deep Cleanup. So here you can manually remove some photos, for example, just enter it, and here you've got the albums from which you can choose to remove the photos, videos, applications, documents, large files, duplicated files, etc. So I highly recommend to do that. Another thing which you can do is to actually check the downloads, because let's be honest, we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it, but it's obviously still saved in the memory. So just find your file manager, whichever file manager you're using, whether it is this one from Google or whether it is the file manager provided by the developer. It doesn't matter. Just enter your own files and try to find this download section. Enter it, and basically in my case I do not have a lot of things downloaded, but usually here we've got a lot of documents, a lot of things which are not really that necessary. So I highly recommend to remove those which you don't need anymore. And the last thing, which I will not show in this device, in this video, because we've got a lot of videos on our channel about the backup. I highly recommend considering the backup into, for example, the Google Drive or Google Photos, actually, OneDrive, etc. Because you will still be able to use your photos. They will be in the safe place, and at the same time you will be able to remove them from the internal memory, so you will be able to free up some space. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.